So today I'll be answering your questions. I've been getting a lot of requests, like lots of questions. Fumike, how much have you made from the highest video on your channel? Like, what is the highest you've made on a particular video on your channel? So today I'll be answering that. If that interests you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and reviews. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. So if any of this resonates with you, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Join our team today by subscribing. So today I'll be sharing how much YouTube paid me for a video of 100,000 views. Yes, you heard that right. I've been getting a lot of requests from Mike. How much is the highest you made on a particular video on your channel? So today I'll be sharing that. Yes, I actually have a video that went viral, over 1,000 views. Today I'll be sharing how much YouTube paid me for that video of 100,000 views. Yes, so if this interests you or this sounds like something interesting to you, please stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Making money on YouTube, there are different factors that come into play. Yes, there are so many different factors that come into place. We have the RPM, we have the country. Yes, the country you have as a creator matter as well. The country where your viewers are based also matters. Yes, what we call RPM is revenue per mile. Yes, so it actually varies for different video. I don't have the same revenue per mile for every video on my channel, so there are actually different revenue per mile, and this means that how much YouTube is going to pay for every 1,000 view, like for 1,000 view, how much they're going to pay. Yeah, so it differs for different videos. All the videos on my channel do not have the same RPM. They all have different RPM. So that's actually one of those things that guides us. It gives me an estimate of, okay, how much I'm going to make on each 1,000, on each video that gets to 1,000, how much I'm going to make on that video. Yes, also your niche as well matters. Yes, your niche as well matters. They are different for each niche on YouTube. They are different RPM. Yeah, how much I'll get as somebody who create content on up videos, yes, up content, how to make money, finance, is different from somebody who does skits. Yes, it's also different from somebody who does hair tutorials or sewing tutorials. So they're actually very different, and all this comes to play when it comes to how much we make on YouTube. If you're watching this video and you're looking forward to starting your YouTube career, then I'll be sharing little tips. As somebody who has been into the YouTube space for close to 2 years now, I'll be sharing little tips with you. So how exactly do you start your YouTube channel? Like, it is very simple. Once you have a Gmail account, automatically you're like 80% done, yes, into creating your YouTube channel. So all what you need is a Gmail account. Once you have a Gmail account, click on your YouTube app, then you see how to create. It's very simple. Once you go into your YouTube app, you will see create a channel. Yes, then you can set up your channel, set up the name, the avatar, the channel art and profile picture, and it's as simple as that. After setting up your YouTube channel, you need to create a niche. What exactly do you want your content to be all about? So that is actually what creating a niche entails. Then you start producing your videos. Yes, you start making content, creating content for your viewers. It's as simple as that. And we also have the monetization rule. The truth is, you can't just start your YouTube channel today and expect to start making money. No, it doesn't work that way. You have some criteria in joining the YouTube partnership program. Yes, that's what we call it, YPP. To start earning on YouTube, you need to be a member of the YouTube partnership programs. And what do you need to have before you can join this program? You need to have 1,000 subscribers, at least 1,000 subscribers, and also 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Yes, in the last 12 months, you need to have like 4,000 watch hours. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you will get a mail from YouTube on how to apply to join the YouTube partnership program, and it's as simple as that. Once you join that, then you can start making money on YouTube. Yes, you can start making money on YouTube. How do we make money on YouTube? There are different ways in which you can start making money, and the truth is, you don't even have to. It's not until you join the YouTube partnership program that is where you can start making money. There are still other ways you can still earn money without joining the YPP. Yes. So the first way in which you can make money is the Google AdSense. That's the regular way every YouTuber makes money. Once you have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then you are fit to join the YPP and you can start making money. So that is how we get paid from Google AdSense. So for every ads that shows on a video, you get paid. Yes, so please, whenever you guys see ads playing on my channel, on my videos, please do not skip, please watch. The second way in which YouTubers can make money is through affiliate marketing. Yes, so for this one, you don't even have to be in the YPP. What affiliate marketing basically means is that you're selling products, and for each product you sell, like you're working with a particular organization or a product, and for each product you sell, you get a certain commission. Yes, it could be, mostly it actually comes in digital forms, maybe courses, trainings and all. So it depends on the particular body you're working with. In Nigeria we have Expertnia, we have JV Zoo. There are so many affiliate marketing companies you can actually work with. So for each of their products you sell, you have a particular commission. And how do you track this? You would always have your own affiliate link that you attach to your description box. Yes, so many YouTubers do it. Once anybody buys that product through your link, you get your own commission. So that is how you earn from affiliate marketing. So it could actually be product review, it could be a product, it could be a digital course, it could be a digital training. Once anybody buys through your own link, through your own special link, you get your own commission. That's how it works. The third way to make money is through sponsored videos. Yes, that is actually one of the coolest way in making money on YouTube. So for me, I love sponsored videos so much. Yes, so it's basically companies or brands coming to you to help them advertise a product or do a certain review on your channel. For every sponsored video, you're being paid. Yes, you'll be paid, and some might actually want to start with giving you free products, but then it's always better when it is being monetized. And you can start making money through sponsored video, through affiliate marketing, without even having to join the YPP, the YouTube Partnership Program. The last way in which you can make money is through selling your own personal product. So if you have any product, either a digital product or a physical product, you can always market or advertise through your YouTube channel and start getting customers and start getting orders. So those are the 4 major ways in which you can make money as a YouTuber on YouTube. Now to the main cocoa of the day: how much YouTube paid me for a video of 100,000 views. I'll be sharing my screen with you right away to show you how much I made from YouTube. Yes, on that particular video. Okay, so you're welcome back to my screen. So here's the video with the 100,000 views. Yes, yeah, here's the video. Yeah, so I want to go to my analytics now. That's the video that went viral. Okay, so here's my analytics. So on that particular video, today is 18th of April. So I have over 100,000 views, 109,300 views. That's the views I have. Then also this is the watch hours. Yes, I have 6,200 watch hours for this particular video, and it gave me 7,000 subscribers, guys. This video gave me 7,000 subscribers. Okay, so I won't review. This is where my revenue is, but I won't review it until I'm done explaining some things. Okay, so 95% of people who watch this particular videos were not subscribed to my channel. Only 4.9% were subscribed or are subscribed to my channel. So these are the top countries that the views came from. Nigeria had 90.8%, Ghana 0.8%, United States 0.7%, United Kingdom 0.1%, Kenya 0.1%. So I didn't be I had views coming from United States and United Kingdom, then I would have made more than what I currently have on this video. Yeah, but because most of the views came from Nigeria, which doesn't have ICPM rate, yes, cost per mile, so those are actually one of those things that actually influence how much you make on YouTube. Let's go to my revenue now, to the revenue. Okay, so to this revenue now, can you see my RPM, revenue per mile, the one I mentioned? Can you see it tells me how much I earn per 1,000 views. So that's it. So on this particular video, I have an RPM of 4.82. Yes, $4.82. There are some videos I had about $3 as RPM, and that was a video I had $8. At the highest RPM I've ever had on my videos was $10. Yes, so this is actually how this is the RPM for this video. So you can read here what RPM means. So it means that this is how much I'm going to earn per 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views on this video, I'll be doing $4.82. Yes, $4.82 times, you cannot calculate it, times the number of views I have divided by 1,000 to get an idea of how much I'm going to make. So the playback CPM is $98. Yeah, so let's go to the business of the day. So tada, so far on this video I've made $526, 0.9 cents. So $526, 0.9 cents. On this video of over 100,000 views, I made $526, 0.9 cents. That's how much I actually made on this video. Yeah, so please guys, always make sure you watch my videos, share the links, comment. These are things that helps the algorithm. So please, once you see my videos, once you watch and you find it helpful, please and please subscribe, watch the heart, and also share my link. Thank you so much. So let's go back to my camera. So you might be wondering, how much do I make per month on YouTube? Yes, so how much I make every month on YouTube is dependent on different factors. Yes, the first one is how many videos I uploaded in that month. So another factor that affects how much I make on YouTube is revenue per mile of each video, because there are different revenue per mile for each videos. Yes, how much I'll make, how much is my revenue per mile on this particular video could be different from the other video I made. Also, the country in which my views are coming from also matters. Yes, if I have more viewers from Canada, UK, US, those developed countries, then I tend to earn more than having majority of my viewers from Nigeria, Ghana, or any of the West African countries. So these factors actually affect how much I make every month. So the higher the views I have on the video, the higher I tend to make on YouTube. So these are the factors that come into play. So like I said earlier, for a video of 100,000 views, YouTube actually paid me $500 plus. That was how much YouTube paid me for that particular video. So please always make sure you share my video. Whenever you watch a video on my channel and you find it helpful, please make sure you share to people. Please watch, and also watch the ads up to 30 seconds, and also share my video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys all. Like, thank you so much to every one of you always watching my videos, always engaging, sharing my links, dropping comments. Thank you so much. I see you all and I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for coming on this ride with me. Thank you so much. If you love to start your YouTube channel, you need somebody to hold your hands, you need a guidance or mentorship section with me, I'll put the link to book a section with me in the comment section or in the description box pertaining to YouTube. Yes, YouTube mentorship. It's currently 15,000 naira. Yes, it is currently 15,000 naira. I'll put that link. You can click that link to start your YouTube journey. Yes, and I'll put you through every steps and hold your hands as you go on. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share this video. I love you all. See you in other videos I have on this channel. I have a lot of videos on this channel on how to start your dropshipping business and also different side hustle ideas. You can start from home with or without capital. Please check those videos out. I'll put them right up here. I'll also put the link in the description box below. Please check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. Till I come your way next time, I love you all.